Hi everyone, my name is VikkiToria. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who have not yet subscribed, please remember to click on the subscribe button so that you can become part of my VikkiToria family. So guys, with lockdown worldwide and in South Africa, everything has really been tough, especially for those people who have had to make up their own salaries. South Africa has finally moved to level 1 of lockdown, and I've been over the moon because cabin fever has really been setting in. My husband, daughter and mom and myself have tried to go out into nature, do some nature walks just to get some vitamin D and some fresh air, and this has really done us all really good, and my little daughter loves it, so it's really been good for us as a family. And of course, to celebrate moving to level 1 of lockdown, my good friend Steph Marie has organized a Robertson's wine tasting event. So me and my husband haven't been out together since Valentine's Day, and we decided that, you know, we need to get out a little bit, have some fun. So Granny has graciously offered to look after my little sunshine, and yeah. But for those of you that do know me, know that I am still breastfeeding, so I'm definitely not going to be tasting any wine, but I am going for the social because I just need to get out a little bit and just be among some other people and just get back into that normal vibe, if that's what you can call it. So obviously for this wine tasting, I haven't dressed up at all during lockdown. I've been in jeans and t-shirts throughout, so I did want to spoil myself a little bit, but my husband decided to spoil me instead. So he bought me this little dress for the event, and I decided to match my eyes with the color of the dress. So if you guys would like to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I'm starting off with a nice fluffy brush, and I'm gonna pick up this nude color in the Morphe 35 in palette, and I'm just gonna place that in the crease as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to use this brush, and in that same Morphe 35 N palette, I'm going to go in with this black shade, and I'm just going to add that into the crease, and I'm going to place it down very softly, so it's not too harsh. I'm just going to do an outline. Now I'm also going to place some of that eyeshadow on the outer V, and I'm going to be using this brush. And I'm just extending it to create that cat eye effect. Now that we've got that going, we are going to start blending all of that out. Alright, so now we've blended the crease and the outsides, and now we're going to put down our color. So I tried to match the color to the dress I'm wearing, so this was the closest I could get. So this is the Morphe 35S palette, and I'm just going to pack that onto the lid. I am going to be using a little bit of fixing spray just to intensify the colors. So I'm just wetting my brush with the fixing spray. Once we're done that, we just need to blend in that aqua color and the black so that it is seamless. Next, we're going to add some gel liner, and I'm using the Palladio waterproof liner. For the gel liner, I'm using a MAC 208 brush. And I'm definitely going to extend that liner into a cat eye. Next, I'm going to coat my lashes with the L'Oreal Telescopic False Lash Mascara. And next up, I'm going to add some lashes, and I'm using the Kiss Natural Lash. So now that we've added the lashes, I am just going to finish off my face off camera, and then I'll come back to do underneath the eyes. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished off the rest of my face. Now we can start underneath the eyes. So I'm going to go in again with that black color, and we're just going to place that on the outer V. And then we're going to take that green color and we're going to put that in the center, just blending it into that black so that it's seamless. Guys, and my brush is still wet from the setting spray, so it's still got that same intensity as what we used on the lid. And now just for some inner corner highlight and some highlight on the brow bone. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the Carli Bybel palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with the shade that is almost finished. And I'm just blending that into the green as well, that green aqua color. Let's pop some onto the brow bone. And some onto the nose. Cupid's bow. And brow bone. Now just to finish off the lips, and we're all done. For my lips, I'm using MAC Toast and Butter. And for some lipstick, I'm using MAC Pickled Plum. Oh guys, and I almost forgot, we still need to coat our bottom lashes. Last step, and then we finish, just some setting spray, and I'm using the Palladio Long Lasting Dewy Finish. Guys, I've also got these little earrings that I'm going to wear, and these earrings are from the Box Fashion. So this is the final look. I didn't have a lot of time to get ready, so this was really a quick and easy makeup look to create. All I have to do now is grab my purse, put on some shoes, and head off to the wine tasting with my husband so we can have some fun. If you guys liked this video, then please give me a thumbs up, and please leave me some comments down below if you like this look and if you would like to try it. Until I see you guys next time, keep smiling. God bless. Bye bye.